Hey everybody, JJ here with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Dunedin, Florida on location today. This is a friend of mine's car. It is a 2004 Honda Civic. It has been washed and waxed exactly 0 times. It had never been vacuumed. This is my 3rd day out here. My friend Crystal had cadaver ACL replacement in her knee, and I was coming out here running the dogs. Anyway, I just thought I'd share a little personal information with you as to why, oh why, are we trying to add wax on a 14-year-old car that's never been waxed. Well, we're going to add a polish, we're going to add a sealant all in one, and then I am going to actually use a wax, and these are all by Drive Auto Appearance. I will say that this Victory Nano polish and seal is amazing, and I showed in my previous video just a quick comparison when I stopped at one door, but I'm going to do this right now in front of you in real time and show you how I'm using this product, this one-step polish and seal, as paint enhancement. It's just quick, it's easy. I just put a new fresh Lake Country orange force pad on. This is their medium cutting pad. I do like to do a little starfish design on my pads, or perhaps some of you would call it sand dollar, little lines. However, I like to just have a tiny bit spread out on my pad. Then I'm generally about a 4 big Florida size pea here. I have washed this car and prepped it, and I have made several videos today showing that. I just wiped this with Rust-Oleum wax and tar body solvent. Even though I'm under trees and it's thundering and lightning and looks like it's about to rain, I'm going to try and get through this, just this half hood, show you how fast this works. So first off, season pad, 4 Ps, knock them out, change your design pattern, don't just go like this and then by the time you get here you have nothing. Okay, now I spread the product out on speed 1. Okay, so we've got good coverage. I don't know how it's coming out in camera, but I just want to let you know as I go through this. This is my first day with the Nano Victory Nano Seal. Excuse me. It goes on and wipes off extremely easy. It is a very, I'd call it a light polish. I'm not going after, if you can see some of these scratches, this is not paint correction. This is paint enhancement. There's a big difference. So this is the call for a one-step. I'm basically charging my friend about the cost of supplies over this detail, but she's going to keep up on everything, and she's going to start waxing her car and washing it and vacuuming it and things. So I just want to start her off on a good foot here. And I'm going to take my Shurhold 3500. I've been liking the 5.5 speed. I've done about half this car now. So here we go. My arm speed is quite quick. I'd say about 3 inches a second, 50% overlap. Probably putting about 5 pounds, 6 pounds of pressure. finish with very light to no pressure, just to go over everything one last time very quickly, especially soft Japanese paint. So I really had no dusting with that. I did come off this edge a little bit, and I got just a tiny bit of dusting. But let me show you how easy this wipes off. I'm going to start over here where I actually didn't polish, just to give an idea of how easy this comes off. Got almost no pressure on that. Sorry about jiggling you there a little bit. So I'm going to bring you in, and hopefully you can see this side smooth, glossy. Do we still have scratches? Yep, scratch, scratch. I've still got some sap on here. I really didn't want to go over the sap. However, I had no choice. But right about here, and I could have taped this off, but I'm hoping you'll be able to see that the paint here, I'll back up a little bit, is just hazy and terrible condition, some oxidization going on. And then we've got the side I just did in front of you here. Took me, probably 5 minutes total time, and I'm really impressed with the sealant, the gloss, and the ease of use and just the quickness. It is absolutely amazing. This car, to my eyes right now, just absolutely night and day. So I thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, like the channel, share it to someone you might know that would like it. And until next time, thank you very much. This is JJ signing out.